Hello and welcome to Minerals, Rocks, and Fossil Talks. I'm your mineralogy teacher, Jen, and it's time for Monday's Mineral. This is anhydrite. Its chemical formula is simply CaSO4. But wait, hang on. Wasn't that the chemical formula for gypsum? Not quite. Gypsum is the hydrated form, meaning there's a bit of water in the structure. Anhydrite is the dry form, no water present in the structure. It is typically colorless to pale blue or violet, such as this one, but it can have a variety of other colors due to impurities, such as white, mauve, rose, pale brown, or gray. Fall colors, basically. It usually occurs as fibrous parallel veins, like this is here, but it can also form in grainy, massive, or nodular masses. Rarely, it forms tabular or prismatic crystals. It likes to form simple twins and has perfect cleavage on two planes with good cleavage on a third. This can result in a sort of pseudo-cubic shape. Anhydrite has a conchoidal fracture. It's quite brittle, has a hardness of about 3.5 on the Mohs hardness scale, so just a bit harder than gypsum. And it has a different luster on each cleavage plane, so pearly, vitreous, and vitreous to greasy. It also has a white streak and is typically transparent to translucent. Like gypsum, anhydrite is an evaporite mineral, and they are often found together, like this picture here. Can you tell which part is gypsum and which part is anhydrite? If you can't figure it out, this is the gypsum, and this blue part here is the anhydrite. And this makes sense, the two together, because they frequently turn into the other by adding or removing water to the structure. It can form a caprock in salt domes and is sometimes found as nodules in sabkhas. So these are coastal mudflats and arid areas where evaporites can accumulate, salty places. It has also been found in some igneous rocks. And like gypsum, it's used in cement and plaster, and it's also used in fertilizer to deliver calcium to plants. Well, thanks for coming to today's lesson, and make sure you tune in tomorrow for some fun trivia. And I will fossilize you later.